Welcome back. So in this video we're looking at another challenge activity in code.org. This one happens to be about complex sprite movements, lesson 22, and it's deceleration. So it says for this program you need to make the car slow to a halt before it goes past the top of the screen. So add code to make the car slow down in the draw loop, use a conditional to detect when the car's velocity is 0, and add code to the conditional to make the car stop. Okay, so currently the car just moves up this way. So if it says add code to make the car slow down to the draw loop. So right now it's -15. So let's tackle that first. We're going to go ahead and drag out one of these to have it slow down. So this is for the car, and we need to, since this is negative, we're going to be adding to this to kind of make this number go up. So -14 to -14, 13, 12, 11, and so on. So then we're going to drag in a plus, and we want it to be the, oh, not the car y location, but it's actually the velocity. And then we want to do that as well here. And let's do like 0.1. Okay, so if we do this, it does slow down a little bit, but not nearly enough. Okay, so that makes it okay. Let's try 0.4. Yeah, I think that's kind of perfect right there. Okay. And then it also says use a conditional to detect when the car's velocity is 0. And if that's the case. So right now we just have it kind of going up like this. And then it goes backwards, which we don't want to do. We actually want it to just stop and set the velocity to 0. So we have it where it stops now before this. And we have it slowing down to that point. Now let's go ahead and add in an if. And we want to say that if the car's velocity is greater than 0, so this 0.4, right now it's -15. So once that hits greater than 0, we want the car to stop, which would be right about there. So let's do a greater than. And then we'll drag that velocity out here. So then what do we want it to do? Well, we just want it to stop. We don't want it to go anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and drag this out. And we're going to make that 0. Now, if we did this correctly, what should happen is it slows down, and then right when it gets to there, it just stops. And it did. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect where we want it. All right. So that's how you solve this activity. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.